everyone, my name is Evaristo Gonzalez, and today I am going to show you the linking sounds.
Hello, I'm Sammy, and this is part 3 of the Connected Speech series. Connected speech is used when you're speaking quickly and casually, and it helps your American English sound more natural. Today, we'll discuss linking. Linking means combining the sounds from the end of one word to the beginning of the next word. American English speakers naturally link sounds together to avoid pauses in fluid speech. So practicing linking can help your American English sound more fluent. There are two main types of linking: consonant-vowel linking and vowel-vowel linking. Consonant-vowel linking occurs when one word ends with a consonant sound and the next word begins with a vowel sound. When this happens, we pronounce the words as if the consonant sound has moved from the end of the first word to the beginning of the next word. For example, look up is pronounced look up. Turn on the light becomes turn on the light. That's an umbrella becomes that's an umbrella. Vowel-vowel linking occurs when one word ends in a vowel sound and the next word begins with a vowel. You add a y sound or a w sound in between the vowel sound at the end of the first word and the vowel at the beginning of the second word. So how do you know whether to add a y or a w? Let's find out. If a word ends in the sounds e, I, a, I, or oi, and the next word begins with a vowel, the two words are linked with a y sound. For example, stay out is pronounced like stay out. Linking words with y happens even if there isn't a y in the spelling. He asked is pronounced like he asked. Sigh of relief is sigh of relief. If a word ends in the sounds oo, o, or ow, and the next word begins with a vowel, then the two words are linked with w. For example, how are you is pronounced like how are you. Again, linking words with the w sound happens even if there isn't a w letter in the spelling. For example, go inside is pronounced like go inside. Two other people becomes two other people. Let's practice. Pay attention to the underlined words in the following story and practice using consonant-vowel linking and vowel-vowel linking. Press pause at each screen to go at your own pace. Sammy met her friends at the outdoor cafe. "Can I have a slice of pizza?" Sammy asked. They ordered the food, but when it arrived, Sammy got a whole pizza, not just a slice. Her friends chanted, "Do it! Eat it!" Sammy ate the entire pizza by herself, and they all cheered. That's it for now. Next.
Okay, in this part, you can see that the application of the video, that there are differences between when we have linking sound with a consonant plus consonant or consonant plus a vowel. There are some examples. In this part, linking sound. In English, when we talk about linking, we refer to the way of joining the pronunciation of the word. So that the way are easy to pronounce and flow together smoothly. There are different ways of linking sounds in English. What are linking sounds in English? But first, let's explain that linking sounds are. Linking is a pronunciation technique that allows the speaker to smoothly say two or more words together. We link together the words sound like the one continuous word. Using linking sounds when we speak in English can make your speech sound much more fluent and natural. When we are learning English, it's very important to watch video, listen to music, and this native speaker all the time using linking sounds. Yes, join the sentences. It's very important to know that. Why is linking sound important? Why is it so important? Linking sounds are needed to make English sound more fluent. Without linking sounds, there will be lots of awkward pauses of extra unnecessary sounds. This makes linking sounds really important for ESL students because these are extra pauses and noises will sound particularly foreign to a native speaker of English. How do you teach sounds to link? You can link two vowel sounds together by adding a consonant between them. You need to add Y or J depending on the two vowel sounds. If you are not sure how to link two vowels, just relax and try out the different combinations. Remember that linking is supposed to make speaking easy, not hard. What are two cases of linking sounds? There are basically two main types of linking: consonant, vowel. We link words ending with a consonant sound to words beginning with a vowel sound. Vowel. We link words ending with a vowel sound to words beginning with a vowel sound. It's very important when we are learning English and to know this because it helps us to speak more fluently, and it's very important if I really learn English like another speaker. Put in practice this topic is very important. Example for linking sounds. Connected speech allows us to speak efficiently, saying the most in the shortest amount of time and to speak with flow and music for rhyme. In this lesson, we'll focus on how Americans link words together. Remember, understanding the rules of connected speech will not only help you to speak better, but will also help you to understand and speak English. It's very important because we said before, to practice the linking sounds to help us speak more clearly, more fluent. Consonant plus vowel. When a word ends in a consonant sound and it is followed by a word that starts with a vowel sound, the speaker should pass the consonant sound forward and connect to the vowel in the next word. Stop it. And we link stop it. Stop. I need it. I need it. I need it. Play a song. Play a song. Read a book. Read a book. These are some examples that you can use when we are learning. The idea is listen, repeat, listen and repeat, listen and repeat. Consonant plus consonant. When a word ends in a consonant sound and the following word begins with the same or similar consonant sound, you will only pronounce that sound once by selecting that consonant sound. You don't need to say that consonant sound twice. It means that if we have two consonants, in this case T and T, we just pronounce one T. Best time, bit great, good day, sit down, and so this part is very important. This part we have sample or exercise, you need to stop it right now. You need to stop it right now. Play a song for us on your guitar. Play a song for us on your guitar. Read a book for me, mommy. Read a book for me, mommy. I had the best time ever. I had the best time ever. Thanks for coming. Have a good day. Thanks for coming. Have a good day. Please sit down until I call you. Please sit down until I call you. Use the rules of connected speech along with adding rhyme and musicality to speech will help us to be understood by native speakers. It means that when you use this joining the word linking when we are speaking, it is much easier so other people can understand you more fluently. In the last part, we some activities that linking sound. There are three types of linking sound: consonant with vowel, consonant with consonant, vowel with vowel. This part is the idea is to listen and repeat the sample that here, and you can see where when we do the link, or what word do the link. In this part, a linking quiz, you can do this online on printer and paper to test your understanding of linking in English notation. There are some questions that you have to answer depending on the explication before. There are some questions in this part, and then you are going to send the answers. You have to write down the spreadsheet, or you just tell the teacher. It was a pleasure to me to show this activity. It was very important to talk about linking sound because it's very important when we are learning English to put in practice this topic to speak more fluently. Thanks for watching.